With a Killbox object, what it does is just it has a very single purpose. It takes a object or player health to 0 and then runs through the hurt state of it so that it goes into a die state. The main element for it is just simply the trigger box. So for instance, you can enable it, then you can say what type is going to be aware of it, and then the size of it for the trigger range. When you're working with this for a game, one thing to consider is that if I have blocks on an edge and we have a player, sometimes it's where you'll just place a single one here, but also you may find yourself wanting to do something to just cover your the whole area. And if you're trying to just cover the whole area, you could place a single one and then just go left and right with it this way. That way you're able to create just a nice boundary so that wherever it is through here, if the player hits it, they die. The other thing to remember is that it does have, let's see if I have it on that one. Nope, there's no collider on that one. And then visibility, I think by default is turned off. If you're wanting to have, Killbox could actually be like lava, and you could have some lava-looking image that plays animations on it. But if we have this set in the scene, so instead of the player falling forever, you can have it so that when the player runs into one spot, they could die from that. If they run off to the other spot, they could die from it there. Alright. So very simple, but very effective. It's something that you definitely want to make sure that within your level, when we start going over gameplay elements and kind of like how to set up a scene, this is going to be one of the features that you'll definitely want to incorporate into your level design thinking to make sure that you keep the player moving forward and also not falling off into infinity.